Hi friends, welcome back. Today we'll see attaching an NFS drive to Proxmox LXC using NFS. So here I am taking for example the Synology NAS and using the NFS menu options I created a PV share and then given the necessary permissions to the local network. Going to PV shell cd slash mount and then ls minus lsa mkdir. So here I'm creating few folders so that I can mount. So here mkdir msnas backup. So the folder is created. Going back to the root. Now using mount minus t NFS option and then giving the local IP address and slash pv share. Local IP address is of Synology NAS and then using the slash volume1 slash pv share will work, and then once it is mounted to mp0 we can see that it is attached there to the particular LXC. And then going to NFS path, and here going for the backup options. Here I am choosing the Open Media Vault backup drive, for example. There are several options here, every 30 minutes or every day at a certain time. And every day, if there are 2 times we need to take backup, this is the option. So going to select one of these options for the backup. There are few other options like every first day of the month, every first Saturday of the month, then first day. So I'm choosing here Sunday, 1 a.m. And we can change it to Saturday or any other day as well, and time can be changed as well just using the format. Here include the selected VMs. This option can be selected to choose which VMs or LXCs we are choosing for the backup. So notification mode, I would leave it as default auto. Compression ZSTD, then mode is snapshot. Enable already enabled. So here keep last one. So I'm not choosing any other options for now, and click create. Then backup is set.